Factories churn out nights like this, my friends, as millions travel by train every day, with trains being dubbed as the lifeline of our nation. But have you ever wondered, while traveling on a train, about the intricacies of its compartments, its tracks, and how they are made? And if even the smallest thing goes wrong in their making, what could happen? What precautions need to be taken in manufacturing train compartments and tracks? If you don't know all this, don't worry, because we've got you covered. Today in this video, we're going to answer these questions. So, buckle up, because a storm of information is coming your way. Stick with us till the end of the video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, let's talk about how train compartments are made, because it's in these compartments that we embark on our real exciting journeys. Steel sheets are used to make these compartments. Steel sheets are brought to factories, and then, using a cutter, they are cut to a fixed measurement. But if you think that the entire train is prepared at once, then let me tell you, during manufacturing, each coach of the train is prepared separately. Then, with the help of strong welding machines and thick bolts, they are joined together. Highly experienced engineers supervise this process, as it is a risky job. Therefore, engineers pay close attention to every detail to minimize any risks. Once these compartments are made from steel sheets, they are painted according to the requirement. This way, the upper structure of the train compartments is ready. However, they are not fully prepared yet, because to run these compartments on tracks, you need shock absorbers and brakes. So now the preparation begins to install shock absorbers. After this, the work of attaching wheels to the compartments begins, followed by painting them again and fitting them under the coaches. Now, the outer part of the train is fully prepared, and it's time to decorate. Interior designing involves installing seats, making sleeper coaches, and constructing toilets. Under interior designing, arrangements for heating, lighting, water, and electricity are made. After all these facilities are arranged inside the train, the compartment is fully prepared, and it's time to test it. Once the compartments are made, it's time to manufacture the rail tracks on which our train runs. Various companies in India are involved in making these tracks. Earlier, tracks were made of iron, which had many problems like quick rusting and deformation due to the frequent passage of trains. To address these issues, special steel is now used to make railway tracks. This steel is an alloy of iron and manganese, which doesn't rust easily and retains its shape for a long time. The process of making these tracks involves heating the steel mixture to a high temperature, then pouring it into molds to give it a desired shape. After cooling, these blocks are passed through various machines to give them the final shape of railway tracks. Once the tracks are made, they are polished and then tested for quality before being installed. After the tracks are ready, it's time to manufacture the wheels of the train. Steel rods are used to make these wheels. These wheels are then cooled and polished before being installed on the train. Finally, it's time to manufacture the engine of the train, also known as the locomotive. This is a crucial part of the train, as the entire train depends on it. In India, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited is responsible for manufacturing train engines. These engines are made with utmost care and precision, as they have to bear the weight of the entire train. In conclusion, from manufacturing railway tracks to wheels, compartments, and finally to the engine, every step of making a train involves intricate processes and meticulous attention to detail. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive more such valuable information.